Hey guys, it's Tony. Just wanted to update you guys on Doggy and a little bit of the TA on what's going on. Currently, right now, like I told you guys before, I am still pretty bullish on Doggy right now. The only thing that worries me a little bit is that we did cross on the MACD on the 4 hour chart to the bearish side. I have I don't want to say a gut feeling, but we did actually just create. We just made a huge. We just retested that 93 level that I told you guys, that range, and we bounced off super high off of that. We keep making very, very, very weak bearish candles. So all I'm waiting for is for that bearish MACD to cross over to the bullish side, and then I see a complete takeoff towards the upside. I'm thinking it might go. I mean, I don't know how much it'll rally because there's nothing that I can really. Usually I tend to forecast my rallies based off of previous histories. That tends to be like 95% right. So I'm generally pretty good at predicting certain rallies and prices, but because Doggy doesn't have any recent history of actually jumping at certain prices. I can't make any like quality predictions, right? I don't think I can make some quality like predictions of where I think it's actually going. I mean, the only thing that I would possibly be able to actually do is I would be able to maybe forecast a little bit, but as of right now, like I think let's do like lows, right? So the low would have probably been last time we went from here all the way to the high of 003, which is a 62%. It was a 62% jump. So that way we can kind of forecast it the same way here, right? That's how I like to do my forecast. They generally tend to be pretty accurate, which is basically from like a low. And by low, I mean low. I wouldn't call this a low right here, that 0093 level. I'd actually go from here and I would rally up to about 60 something percent. So let's say 63, like we said. So if I had to guess, the next stop, whoops, let me go back a little bit to put the fibs on the right spot. The next stop for Doggy, if once we actually cross that hour on the bearish chart, on the bullish, sorry, I think the next stop would be like somewhere around 50 cents. The next stop would be 0054. That's what I think the next stop for the price would be for Doggy. If you're looking at fibs, you would basically say that the next stop for Doggy would be 019. Wait, what am I doing right here? 00540. No, sorry. My apologies. The next stop would be 014 for Doggy if we're forecasting the way that I would usually forecast, which, like I said, is not usually, I can't really be it is usually pretty accurate. I can't be accurate right now because it hasn't had, it hasn't had rallies where I can kind of forecast something, right? I can't take averages. I can't take momentum into consideration. This is all new. So we kind of have to take everything, as we receive it. As of right now, I am still really bullish on DogeCoin. We are waiting for that bullish MACD crossover. We're waiting to see what happens. We do keep retesting on that 0093 level, like we talked about. So I'm pretty happy about that. So we can't seem to break that level. I do think we're gonna bounce off. I do think the next big move is when we see this hour break on the MACD, because we've already created a bottom. The stochastic has showed us that we've created a solid bottom, and Doggy tends to respond to that indicator relatively well. So I do think that the next big move upwards is gonna come in the next maybe 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 to 5 hours. So I might do another update once I see the cross on the MACD for the hours chart on the bullish side, which probably I'm estimating to be somewhere around maybe 9-10 o'clock at night. I think I might do another update. But yeah, all we're waiting for right now is for that crossover on the bullish side for the MACD, because it does look like the bears are weakening right now. The only part that scares me is that we did cross the bearish side on the MACD on the 4 hour, but it does seem like there doesn't seem to be a lot of strength. So I am waiting for this to cross over and then cross back towards the upside, because there's a lot of bullish momentum. So I'm still bullish. We have to wait another 4 or 5 hours to really see that hour breakout to the upside, and I do think that another big move is going to happen today, sometime maybe 9, 10, 11 o'clock at night. I do think we're going to have another breakout hopefully towards the upside. But it's gonna be another big move. I'll see you guys later.